going to unbox my brand new espresso coffee machine from Philips. So, let's go and unbox it. Ako na to wini-wish na magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng machine since I love coffee. Well, actually before, I don't love coffee. I don't like coffee, but when I started working, so I need really coffee every day. Actually, nakakaubos ako ng at least 5 to 6 cup of coffee. It's too much, but I need energy and ganun talaga pag nagtatrabaho ka. So, yun. Sirain na natin. Ayan. Iba talagang sinira ko. Ooh. Hindi siya masyadong mabigat. Ang laki lang ng box. Ang laki lang ng box. Ayan na siya. Ito yung binili ko. Yan. Yan yung binili ko. Tapos bubuksan pa natin siya sa loob kung anong laman, kung ano mga meron sa loob. So excited with this coffee machine. Matagal ko talaga itong pinag-isipan kasi medyo pricey siya. So, since mahilig naman ako sa kape, why not invest good coffee machine, right? So, ayan. Ang dami niyang carton. Ginanyan ko na. Ang dami niyang mga boxes. Ewan ko kaya to. Tanggalin ko muna siya lahat-lahat. I think ito na yung pinaka-box niya. Ayan, itong first box muna na maliit. Tingnan natin kung ano laman. You'll see kung ano laman ito. Sirain na nga natin. Ayan, okay. Meron siyang ganito. I think ito yung pang ano sa ilalim. Tapos yung mga babasahin.
Ayan guys, like what I said, yan yung laman ng maliit na box. Meron siyang babasahin, meron siyang scoop sa coffee, meron siyang yung parang ititest mo yung water kung enough ba yung pagka-hot niya, ganyan. Hot talaga. Yeah, but anyway, yes. At saka meron siyang yung parang plate ng coffee machine mismo. And meron din siyang mga babasahin. So, we'll see kung kaya natin basahin yan. But now, this is the coffee machine. Yan. Ang hirap niya lang. Ang dami niyang mga scotch tape. Ang dami niyang plastic. Ang dami niyang mga karton. Maybe because I think it's for the safety sa machine. Kaya madami siyang chichiborechi. But anyway, it's better to be safe than... Basta, yun na yun. Yan. I'm so excited with this coffee machine. Wish ko talaga yan sa birthday ko. Pero kasi I don't have enough money to buy it. So, kailangan munang mag-extra ang girl para save for the coffee machine. Yan. I'm so happy with that coffee machine. Kasi mahilig din ako sa kape. Yan yung pinapakita ko. Yan yung lagayan ng milk if ever na maggawa ko ng latte coffee and cappuccino. Yes. So, yan. Ayun, bubuksan na natin ang water filter siya. Kaya, I don't know how to use that one. So, we'll see. Basahin natin yung babasahin na kanina na binuksan natin. Yan yung instruction ng water filter. So, we'll see kung makakaintindi tayo ng Danish instruction or else call a friend tayo. Ganun. Yan. And now, this is the machine. Voila. Yan. Nakakagawa siya ng espresso, of course. Hot water. Nakakagawa siya ng cappuccino. Nakakagawa siya ng yung natural coffee and latte. Nakakagawa din siya. And you can also make whatever you want. What kind of coffee you like, you can also make like that. I don't know kung paano siya explain, but yes. Yan, I'm so happy with this machine. Ayan, I'm so excited and I can't wait to use this machine. So, I'm gonna use it tomorrow right away when I go to work. One thing I like this machine is that it's so easy to use it. Just one press, in a minute you already have cappuccino, for example. So it's so easy. Pinapadali niya talaga yung morning routine ko. papamadaliin niya talaga ang morning routine ko. That's what I mean. So, I hope may natutunan kayo sa aking video and may mga ideas kayo how espresso coffee machine works and how it looks. So, at saka I hope may makunan kayong ideas about this machine. So that's all for today, guys. Please do subscribe, please do like and share my videos and share my channel. That's all. Bye!